Hello Star Wars fans and Star Wars friends around the world, and welcome to another video. Right, well, this is an unboxing video. It's a kind of a surprise unboxing video for me because I forgot I had these in my collection room, and I always say if you're collecting Star Wars food or confectionery or drink items, you need to empty out what's inside, and this is one of the times that I have not listened to my own advice. Now, I've not been in this box, so there could be a family of mice inside, so it's a bit of a surprise for me, this one. It is out of date, so no, I'm not going to be eating any of the chocolate. I'm just after the goodies that are inside. So it's a fresh box of Star Wars Tombola, and there are, I'm guessing, there are 36 inside, and I want to keep the box, so I think good. And I'm going to try and okay, aha, right. So that's right. This is going to come flying out now. Okay then. Right. I don't know if I'm going to be able to save any of the packaging. I will try. If it's not that. No, that's just okay. Ew! Look, the egg. Oh yeah, there's definitely no one going to be eating that. That's gross. Right, so let's just get this open, and wow, that's old chocolate. There's no family of mice come running out of it yet. So, right, I'm going to break it all into this bowl and then dispenser it. Alright, let's see what's in this first one. Oh, okay, that's quite cool. That's a very nice, very cool looking little Yoda. Right, so I'll start putting these over here. Let's see, Yoda's hiding over there. Right, next one. That's one. What? Oh, Leia. Cool. That's two. Whoa, I'm not going to do that anymore. Wow. Ooh, Stormtrooper. That's three. Wow. Yeah, usually I try to save the foil, but I'm not going to in this case. There's Han. Han's not going to stand up. So I'm going to lean Han. No, Han is definitely not going to stand up. So that's four. Oh, R2. There's R2. Maybe Han will lean up against R2. There you go. Yeah, there you go. So that's five. Hey, Chewie. That's six. Can't see Chewie's. Chewie's legs are kind of. I think he'll have to use R2 as a prop as well. So that's six. Here's number seven. Yeah, Luke. Luke with a very bent blaster. So there's Luke. And he's not going to stand up either. Yeah, quality-wise, not so good. So what was that? That's 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 8. Should have bought a bigger. Wow! Ah, it's a Falcon. Ooh, sweet. That's a Falcon kit. Right, just see. Please don't time me. How long does it take an adult to put together a Millennium Falcon? That's going to be wow. The answer is way too long. Right, you can talk among yourselves at the moment. Does not want to go together. Okay, right, that's that. there, and this bit goes on here, and all clips together like that. Now, it is missing, doesn't have its dish. So is it supposed to have a dish? Oh, it does have some stickers, but no dish. That's silly, isn't it? Well, there's a list there of everything that should be, hopefully. Right, so there's no dish. And there you go. So that's kind of micro machine sort of size. Right, next one. Is it 8? Let's count already. Another Stormtrooper. There you go, another Stormtrooper. Same pose. So. Oh, another Millennium Falcon. Oh, there's a dish in that one. So that one does have a dish. Right, that one I can put together later. Another Stormtrooper, so that's 3 Stormtroopers so far. So there's another Stormtrooper. A jigsaw puzzle, which I'm going to leave in this one. So I'm going to put that back on there, just to keep that safe. What's this one? There's another. Is that a Falcon? No, it's not a Falcon. What's that one? Oh, it's an X-Wing. Okay, alright, I'm not going to put that together now, because there's a lot more parts to that. Wow. And, C-3PO. Cool. C-3PO. I wonder if he's going to stand up. He does stand up. And Yoda again. There goes another Yoda. Wow. We're rapidly running out of space to put the rubbish. That's another jigsaw puzzle. Put that together. And that's another Millennium Falcon. And another jigsaw puzzle. And another Millennium Falcon. And that looks like an AT-AT. Yep, that's an AT-AT. I should put that together. And what's this? It's an Imperial shuttle. That's pretty cool. Or shuttle to Dirion. And then, oh, another jigsaw puzzle. A lot of jigsaw puzzles. Right, over halfway now. The chocolate does actually pong a bit as well. And, another Stormtrooper. Another Stormtrooper. Oh, yeah. Didn't think he was going to stand up. Oh, cool. A TIE fighter. So there's a TIE fighter. That's the first of those. Another Han, so that's 2 Hans now. Another jigsaw puzzle. A lot of puzzles. Another jigsaw puzzle. I must say, I've never opened so many of these so quickly. Another jigsaw puzzle. Wow. Is that Vader? And Vader. Very nice. I think he does have a loose lightsaber. Wow, that wouldn't last very long if you there you go. So Vader, that's the first Vader out. That's another layer. Another layer. Another jigsaw puzzle. Wow. I think you have a 50% chance of having a jigsaw puzzle. Another Vader with a tiny saber. Put that in his hand. Yeah, he does. This one doesn't want to hold on to his lightsaber. No, okay, let's put me over there. And 3 more to go. Let's have a guess. Jigsaw puzzle. No. Oh, another TIE fighter. That's cool. And oh, where's it gone? Another layer. And last one. So this is number 36. Number 36, what do you think? Last one's going to be a jigsaw puzzle, isn't it? Oh no, it's another Millennium Falcon. There you go. Wow. Yick. Okay, there you go, guys. There's the final. So not that many figures, right? What should there be? Let's get there. Who is missing? Right, so R2, one R2, a 3PO, yes, only one 3PO, Yoda, Luke, yes, Leia, yes, Chewie, yes, and also Han, yes, Stormtrooper, yes, Vader, yes. That's pretty cool. I don't think I got Vader's TIE fighter. I don't think I did. TIE fighter, yes. AT-AT, yes. Shuttle Delirium, yes. X-wing, yes. So I think out of 36 surprise eggs, I managed to get all but Vader's TIE fighter. Well, there you go, guys. Right. Do not store chocolate or any other food item in your collection room, because you will end up in a very bad place with rodents and pests and all sorts of nastiness invading your collection room. I say it's every time, and then I go and dig around and find something else. So there we go. There's the final. So it's 36 eggs. I can't even remember where I got this pack from. Right, guys. Let me know if you collected these. Did you find Vader's TIE fighter? Because I didn't. And until next time, don't forget to check out my links below for my Twitter feeds and my Instagram feeds. I'm going to stick close-up pictures of all of these onto Instagram, so check out my link below, and I'll do all the assembled models as well to go on there. So check out my Instagram pictures, and you'll see them on there. I'll tweet them as well. But did you get a full set of these? Do you need a spare jigsaw? And as always, don't forget to subscribe, click like, and comment. Let me know. Let me know. Did you bother with these, or did you miss them out? Because I don't blame you if you did. They're not great. And until next time, guys. Thanks very much for watching, and may the force be with you. Bye for now.